Bolt.new users have deployed over 2 million applications since launch. Average time from idea to working app, 23 minutes. Here's how to build yours. The key to Bolt.new is writing a clear prompt. I'll show you the exact format, describe the features, user flow, and tech stack preferences. Better prompts equal better apps. Bolt generates the complete app, front-end, back-end, database. Then iterate by asking for changes in natural language. Add user authentication or change the color scheme to dark mode. The real power. Add AI capabilities to your app. Add a chatbot that answers questions from my FAQ document, and Bolt integrates it with proper API handling. Complete build session creating a customer feedback app with AI sentiment analysis, from first prompt to deployment, in real time with commentary. Try Bolt.new free. Link in description. Subscribe for the complete series where I build increasingly complex apps with no-code AI tools.